Alright, hello, and welcome to Axel the Color with Jefferey Morrison. How's it going? Alright, gonna do another WIP and chat here. Yeah, let's get this peeled back. Alright, finished the previous section. Just going along the top and across. Do some more sky here. Alright. I'll just make this a section here. So easier. Okay, there we go. Alright, back to the plus sign. Alright, better show you what we're working on. Start with. Alright, so Diamond Art Club's Frosty Forest Friend by Donna Gelsinger. Alright. So that is a blue jay down there. Chickadees, I think. Bunnies. Oh, there's a pair. Okay. It's a little bunny squirrel. Goldfinches, maybe. Deer. Male and female cardinal snowman. Okay, so it's square. 19.7 inches by 26.4 inches. 50 centimeters by 67 centimeters. 38 colors and 2 ABs, which stands for Aurora Borealis. 125 and 133. They're just a sparklier drill, and which is just gently detailed throughout this canvas. It's not in a solid block anywhere. Yeah, it's just kind of scattered throughout. Alright, so we get this plus sign going here. Alright, which one is that? 775. Okay. Alright, let's get this out again. Hopefully everybody's doing good. Did a WIP and chat earlier. Alright, just doing half-hour increments. Kind of posted an update on my social media about it, and took a picture of the finished section that you just seen. So, yeah. And just moving along. 775. Yeah, sorry about the squeaking. Plastic. Oops. Alright. 775 plus sign. Alright, we'll just dive right in. We have a good view. Okay. Yeah, set that there. Alright, so not much happening today. I ran a couple errands and it's crazy in town. I think everything's going to close earlier today. Tim Hortons, like a coffee shop I went to, closes at 5 today. 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, so I got some Timbits. People just call them Bieber balls. I don't know, they're Justin Bieber like helped design the flavors or whatever. So just a limited time thing for collaboration or whatever. So I don't know, as long as he's having fun, that's all that really. Yeah, they're alright. They're just Timbits, just slightly fancier, but it's all good. Yeah, I bought another 10 before, and I kept the box. Oh, it's a pretty cool design box. So yeah, I know it's just like a Timbit box, but yeah, it had Timbiebs. It's limited time, so yeah, it's just the box. There's no Timbits in there. I'm not keeping the Timbits. No. Yeah. No, not quite that weird. Okay, there's like a plus sign down here. Alright, just making sure it's like the right row of arrows. Yep, okay. Yeah, this is just more tree branches and things. So, okay, I'm assuming that... Okay, let's do this bottom row so I know where I have to stop. That's kind of a good boundary indicator. Alright, cool. Hopefully everybody's having a kind of chill day as well. Yeah, it's pretty low key around here. It has been for the holidays. Yeah. Holidays just aren't really a big thing. I think my parents will just go to bed at the same time. It's just another midnight really for them. So yeah, I see it as another midnight, but yeah, it can be special for a lot of people. Jeez. Just throw my pen, sorry. Oh man. I know, it's probably a special night for a lot of people, maybe do something special with their significant other, so it's just not my territory. Just a single guy, so yeah, just stay up late anyway. Sleep, what's that? Oh, you're supposed to do that at night? Oh, okay. Supposed to have like 8 hours or something? Oh, oops. Well, been screwing that up. Probably why I'm like all over the place health-wise. Oh, oops. Alright. Okay, I can like rest my hand there because it's like all drills now. Yeah, downtown St. Mary's was just a little crazy. I went and got a coffee in the Timbits after I tried finding shelled peanuts at the dollar store. They what we call Axel's nature screensaver, the squirrels and the birds eating the peanuts or bird feed or whatever. Yeah, I call it a nature screensaver because the cat ends up looking through the window, thrashing his tail, kind of nattering away at the wildlife that's out there, and the squirrels and the blue jays and the odd cardinal, little sparrows or whatever. The cat just goes nuts, and yeah, I just call it nature's screensaver because it's just framed by the front living room window, kind of a panoramic view. Once you see past the railing of the deck, then you can see nature. There's squirrels that hang out on the front deck and stare into the house when they know the cat is there. Yeah. I've probably said this a few times, but yeah. They just, Axel and a squirrel or whatever. There's been chipmunks too, I think. But it's mostly squirrels. Big bushy tails and the squirrels' beady little eyes. They're just have a stare down for a few minutes. And the cat's just losing it. Meow. You can hear is like the cat's tail thrashing against whatever's lying on the window seat. In the window, on the windowsill. Axel's my black cat that I adopted from the Humane Society. Yeah, just in case this is your first time hearing the name Axel, it's my black cat. Or our black cat. I don't know, I adopted him and all that, but Just hangs out. Has a good time. Yeah, he's quite the cat. He lets you know that he has claws every day, and yeah, just cute. Just a bundle of joy. He's my fur baby, I guess. I don't have any children. I just have a nephew. So, there you go. Alright, yeah, there's just yeah, these are just branches. Yeah. The trees in the background here, or foreground. Yeah, it's just in sky. I don't know if it's sunrise or sunset. Oh, the sky's kind of pink. It could very well be a sunset. Early evening. Before all the animals turn in for the night. I don't know. But just interpreting what I see on this canvas. Yeah, that's kind of nice. Another piece of hair or something on this canvas. Oh, jeez. There we go. Jeez. If there's a piece of hair, it's gonna end up on this canvas, and the adhesive, guaranteed. Like, it's never going to pass probability here. Just guaranteed there's going to be a hair on the adhesive here. Just a natural occurrence, not natural standard occurrence. We have a diamond painting canvas here. Yeah, occasionally I lift Axel up and like cuddle him, hug him, lie him on his back in my arms, and yeah, it's a weird way to hold a cat, but kind of cradle him in my arms and like pat him, and he's just looking at you, his saucer eyes, ears going back sometimes, and he's just slightly getting his claws out of the, slightly showing his claws and patting my face with his paws, so if you don't want to lift it up in the first place. He sometimes sticks around for 30 seconds, then he is like, I walk towards the couch or something, and then like just place him back down on the couch, and he runs away. I don't know. Try petting him, and then claws at you sometimes with a large pitched meow. Like he wants something, but then you pay attention to him, and then he just goes away again. It's weird. I don't know, he meows, and then he comes up near you, and then I pet him, or my dad does. He likes resting on my mom's lap when she has a quilt over her legs when she's in the recliner. Yeah, he likes lying there for a good period of time. Or has a bath. Just starts grooming himself while lying down. I don't know, just a cat can be a suck, and then if he no longer wants attention, he just starts clawing at you. And he likes specific cushions on the couch. He takes a whole cushion get up to go get a coffee or go to the washroom or something, and then like in the living room, and then the next second you like come back in the living room, he's on the cushion all stretched out and sleeping. Like, yeah. He wants a spot on the couch, he gets a spot on the couch. Or he just really gets annoying and starts climbing all over you and purring like he cares. But seriously, he's trying to get you out of the spot. That's about it. Alright. How we doing? 15? Alright. There's just a few plus symbols here, not nothing too hardcore. Alright. A nice gentle snow cover on the upper trees here. Basically, just a nice gentle snowfall. Yeah, this will be a very cool canvas when it's done, for sure. Nice. Relaxing, get away from the ordinary. This is what winter should look like here up here in Canada, but having a mild winter so far. Bet you all the animals are very confused. What's going on here? Is it winter or not? What? Animals be freaking out, rioting. Be ringing the doorbell if I didn't buy peanuts today. Oh, we got blue jays too, and they're just, holy cow, territorial. Get very upset. Squirrels will just look into the house even if the cat's not around. And we'll just stare in the house if the peanut jar is empty. Like, we have a squirrel feeder kind of thing, and yeah, that's where we put the peanuts. Shelled peanuts usually, but not this time around. I just got unshelled, unsalted peanuts at the grocery store when I was out and about. So they won't starve to death. We just do it during the winter. So, I think the blue jays go in there anyway. Anything they can fit through the squirrel-sized hole, or squirrel-accessible hole, will go into the jar, go into the feeder, and squirrel feeder, and yeah, let's grab the peanuts. Yeah, I won't have to worry about the shells. Just scarfing down the peanuts. Well, that's just... yeah, my dad likes doing that kind of stuff, but he was at work, so I just got that kind of stuff. Alright. I think that's all the plus signs. Yeah, and just when you think you have all the symbols, then one's always there. Okay, cool. Alright. Yeah, that was the plus sign, right? 775. They're all covered now. And my cue card move. That was marking my spot. Alright, 775. Alright, cool. Alright, cool. Well, if you don't have social media, just want to wish everybody a happy new year on here. Don't know if I've like said it recently. Yeah, cat hair. So, Happy New Year. All the best for 2022. Just so I mention it. Hopefully it'll be half decent year, but I don't know. I just gotta live with day to day. Just go with the flow. Yeah. It's not gonna be. We're not quite out of the woods yet with COVID, but I don't know, it's just something we have to live with at this point. Yeah, I hate mentioning it, but yeah, it's just what's happening right now. I think my parents are getting their third booster shot next week or something, fairly soon. I had to book mine third COVID shot or whatever. We had to update. We got QR codes for restaurants and stuff to scan. My parents don't really. We get takeout from local diner. Don't need to show that QR code, but yeah, we all just printed it off because there was other documentation proving that vaccination proof that we had to print off, and that's no longer viable starting in January. So we had this stupid QR code thing that we had to print off from a government website to prove that we're vaccinated. It's crazy. Okay, 647 and L. Okay. Oh, what can you do? Just avoid making trouble. Just easier to just have the document printed off in the wallet. It's like an envelope sticking out of my wallet. It's gonna get totally destroyed. I can't make these things practical, like wallet size, like a business card. No, it has to be this big honkin' QR code. Silly. Anyway, let's just go along with it. Can always print off another one, I guess, if this one gets too bad. Like a kind of neck thing, like a name tag that hangs around your neck. That would work when you're just out and about. I don't know about workplaces though. Yeah, some sort of ID tag or whatever. Yeah, you can also have a digital one. But yeah, it means you have to get your phone out all the time. And then what if your phone dies and you're in a restaurant? They can't scan the code, so you have to get takeout. Yeah, it's just... I haven't eaten in a restaurant for like 2 years now. Yeah, I just order takeout. It's easier. They've done takeout ever since before COVID, so it's just easier. They almost know me by name. We kind of have a set order for takeout, so I just have to call to order it. I don't know, it's just not a really big deal. It's nicer actually, it just saves waiting for somebody to serve you anyway. My mom's just like terribly nervous about being in public. She'd just rather not be out and about. I don't blame her. Yeah, she gets pangs of anxiety, so yeah, no use her being stressed out all the time, because prolonged anxiety probably leads to health problems over time, or higher stress. Yeah. Yeah, I get that way too. If it's just needlessly crowded. There were people talking at like the entryway of the grocery store, just blocking certain parts of the store, like certain parts of the aisle. Just like, geez, people, there's tons of people in here, and the tills are like, it's like lined up right in the store. And here's people just talking in the aisles as if it's like the best place to talk to your neighbor or whatever. It's like, this is a grocery store. Just get your food and get like the heck out. Other people want to shop. Parking lot's like full and they're closing early. Just got these people just standing in the way and doing like a social hour instead of getting their groceries. Should be like in and out at this point, but no. Oh, hey, I haven't seen you for a couple days. How are you? You're still alive, obviously, but oh my gosh, I missed you. It's like, I kind of, I don't know, I'm being extremely sarcastic, but really? Like, email, call people, I don't know, FaceTime? Like, I don't know, do you like have to clog up space in a grocery store? Or you could just talk for a good giggle online? I don't know, over the phone? Like, I don't know. Would you have to be in a grocery store having a half-hour conversation with somebody in a grocery store they haven't seen for like a bit? Oh my gosh, I don't know, man, I just bob and weave, say a lot of excuse me, so sorry, and just get what I need in a store, then just get the heck out. Like, just practice patience, take nice deep breaths in through the nose, out through the mouth. Just be very patient. Not lose it in a store. Just get what you need and leave. And try not to get hit by another car, play bumper cars in the parking lot. Because nobody signals and everybody just thinks they have the right of way in a parking lot. Oh, it's just holy kittens. It's like, I'll just wait a couple minutes in the car. Yep, that's right. Fake like I'm not going to move anywhere. So I really don't want to have to deal with a car wreck in a parking lot. And then all that insurance company headache fluff. Yeah, what happened? Hit by a car in a parking lot while I was parked. Oh my gosh, you're talented. I'm so jealous. It's like, seriously. Alright, better start doing my outro, I guess. No. It's all good. I'll stick with this half-hour thingamajigger. But anyway, you've been watching Echoes of Color with Jeffery Morrison. I do enjoy the time that we hang out together doing these videos. It's just a cell phone memory issue. But anyway, yeah, that's posted on my social media along with a picture of that previous section completed. Yeah, I post in all three places. Facebook is really just like one, but it's two different pages. So Facebook, my profile page, I post about Echoes of Color on here in that section as well. And I have a Facebook business page, Echoes of Color. The hyperlink to my Facebook business page will be down below, and yeah, all this information will be down on the description of the video, below the video. And I have an Instagram tag handle, where I post updates there as well. So, and meditation stuff, meditation quotes and all that. But anyway, as I said before, Happy New Year. Stay safe. No drinking and driving. Don't do anything too silly. I don't know, relaxing craft, or if that's what you're doing right now. Take care. Have fun, and yeah, we'll see you again soon. All right, bye.